This video walks you through the process of setting up Diamond Maps to do a lead service line inventory. If you don't already have a Diamond Maps account, you can create a free trial from our website and do everything described here. Most customers watching this probably already have a layer on their GIS marking their service locations. This could be a water meter layer, a curb stop layer, or any type of layer that has a point or a line representing the approximate location of each service. If you have a single point marking a meter pit that contains multiple services, then you should probably add separate points to mark each service independently. If you don't already have a service line layer, then you can create one by clicking Layers, then Add, then choose the Water Meters template and click Create. Ideally, it's nice if you already have all of your service locations marked on the map before starting your inventory, but it's fine to proceed to the next step even if you don't. We do not recommend that you create a lead service line inventory layer in addition to your already existing water meter layer. This will result in a lot of duplicate information, and it's usually best to have just one version of the truth on your map. The next step is to add some special fields to your water services layer for recording your inventory. To do this, click the Layers button, then click your water meters layer, and then click More. Then click Add Remove Fields. At the bottom of this screen, click the Add Fields from a Template. Choose the appropriate lead service line inventory template. If there's a template specific to your state, then choose it, otherwise select the EPA template. If you think your state has its own form that's not listed here, then contact us as soon as possible and we'll get that template added here. The next screen displays a list of several new fields that are about to be added to your water service layer. If you already have a field in your existing layer that contains the information shown here, then uncheck that row so that it doesn't create a redundant field. It's okay if your existing field has a different name. For example, many of the inventory reports ask for a system-specific ID. If you already have a field identifying each service, such as an account number or meter number or location ID, then uncheck this system-specific ID field. Be sure to click any question mark icons you see for additional instructions specific to your form that might not be obvious. If necessary, cancel the screen and go back and review what data you already have in your services layer before you proceed. This is an important step, so call us if you have any questions at this point. Once you've indicated which fields to add, scroll to the bottom and click OK. Then click Apply Changes on the Add Remove Field screen to add these new fields to your layer. The last step, which is optional, is to color code your water meters according to their inventory status. To do this, click Layers, then click your Water Services layer, then click Settings. Then change the layer symbol to one of the vector symbols, and then click Classify next to the fill color. Choose a field to base the color coding on, such as the service line material, and then click Apply. Set the fill opacity to 100% and then click Save Display Settings. Now your water service points will automatically change color to indicate your progress. Now you're all set up to start recording your inventory, which is described in part 3 of this video series.